Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features products from the Zoo Crew suite. Now this suite of products is in the brand new Stampin' Up catalogue 2023. You'll find it on pages 46 and 47 of the catalogue. It combines these really pretty images of these adorable little animals. The paper is fantastic. The dies are incredible. When you buy the die and the stamp set together, you are saving 10%. This is the actual stamp set. I mean, it's just too cute. Has dies for most of these images here. And what I really love is this designer series paper with the coordinating dies. You can just cut out the already colored and copied images from the paper, which is what I've actually done with this actual card. It's just the die cut from the paper. Let me show you how pretty this paper is. So here's one. Let me just grab that out. So here's the paper. I mean, isn't that just the cutest paper? And then on the other side, it's all the different sheets are black and white, which, you know, that's just so good. I haven't used the black and white on this one. I've actually used paper from another suite of products. It's a beautiful birthday paper. Actually, no, it's not. It's called, let me tell you, Bright and Beautiful paper. Really pretty designer series paper. But let me show you another one of these. So here we go. So I cut out this little guy, which we're going to make next, and the little raccoon, and then obviously I cut the little llama out, knitting llama for one of the other ones. So let me show you where's that die gone? It was here a minute ago. It's disappeared. Here it is. So here's the die for this one here. So it cuts out the balloons are coloured. This is black and white. I mean, I just love it. Isn't that just makes card making so incredibly easy? So easy. Big little elephant. It's a little koala bear. I love it all. I love it. Can't get enough of it. So this card here is made very simply just by having cut out one of the llamas using the llama die. And I cut a piece of designer series paper down. And this piece at the background here is just a die cut piece of basic white, thick basic white, and I used the fern embossing folder. And this ribbon also is from the same suite, the Zoo suite. It comes with, if you buy the whole suite, you get the ribbon as well. That's the pink, and this is the lemon lime twist, or is it? Let me just double check. Where is it? Here it is here. Here's the ribbon here. The ribbon is lemon lime twist, and it's petal pink ribbon. So let's go ahead and make one. I've made this one in one of the new returning colours, and that's the blue. Oh my gosh, I've forgotten the name of it. It'll come back to me. I'm using lemon lime twist for this card though, and I'm coordinated with some of the lemon lime twist from that 6x6 designer series paper I mentioned just before. So with this one, I've already gone ahead. I've got my half a chick piece of cardstock cut and scored. I've cut and embossed a piece of basic white, and I used the Citrus 3D embossing folder for this one just to give a little bit of interest. I've gone ahead also and die cut a circle with vellum using the Stylish Shapes dies, and then I've already cut out my little raccoon with the umbrellas with the balloons, and also stamped the Happy Birthday to You in lemon lime twist, which is our returning colour. So let's go ahead and put it together. It's very easy. When you have images like that which you can die cut, it just makes the whole process so much easier. Alright, so go ahead and put this one together first. Grab some seal, put it on the back of this. We're not going to see it, so let me get one that's going. This is just my Stampin' Seal Plus. Just going to pop it on there. And then a little bit of ribbon, sorry, a little bit of tape to put the ribbon on, just a little bit. And then I just make my little pretend bow. Having to tie it. It shouldn't have a twist in it. Let's fix that. Okay. Just pop that on there. And pop that on with a dimensional. I mean, this couldn't be any easier, really, could it? You could actually make a heap of these really quickly just by die cutting out all those images from just even one sheet of paper. I think the vellum adds another little sort of extra touch there. And then the happy birthday to you goes on there. Let's just put one on, I feel like. Now I'm going to use the In Colour gems also for this one. Let's pop that under. Let's pop it just under there, I think. How's that? Cute. Cute, right? Very cute. Let's put it here. The dimensionals on the back. Pop that straight onto your designer series paper. See what I mean? It makes a really, really quick card, doesn't it? Just trim a little bit of that off. That ribbon is so pretty. So pretty. And this paper, the Bright and Beautiful paper, it's so... Oh, I think I might need to get out a new bottle of Tombow somehow. Yep, I might just get enough out of this one. See how we go. Yep, I think it's just about had its day. Here we go. Okay. And we'll use these are the In Colour gems, so we'll just grab them. What shall we use? Let's use that colour. Yeah. It's always good to add a bit of colour, isn't it? And then let's put another piece on the inside. Whenever I make a card using the non-white cardstock, I generally always put a piece of basic white on the inside. That way I know I can write in it easily. There you go. And there you have it. Card, easy card. That's the lemon lime twist. That is the, oh my gosh, what is the colour of that paper? Why has it gone away from, why have I forgotten the colour of it? It is a new returning colour. One of the return, it's Misty Moonlight. I wanted to say Moonlight Madness, but it's Misty Moonlight. And there we go. there we go. Simple, sweet, cute, easy little cards to make using the Zoo Crew suite. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I have put a link to the products in the description bar below. Thank you so much and have a great day.